everyone, welcome back. We are in the garage today and we're going to be working on the 86. Today is going to be a very special install because I am finally going to be able to dial in the fitment on this thing. As you guys know, I'm only running some lowering springs, RSR lowering springs, the super downs I'm pretty sure. And it does give it a pretty decent drop just for springs, but knowing me and knowing the GTI since I've owned that car, I like running it a little lower than this. And plus, to have the adjustability of coilovers is better than springs. Coilovers that we're going to be installing today are some Fortune Autos. I picked these up used for a pretty good deal. They don't have too much miles on it. I think there's around 4,000, which is pretty decent. And the quality on them are still good. They're not dirty at all, you know, and you know, with only 4,000 miles, I think that's pretty low. And for the price that I got it, can't really beat it. Guys, so Asher came by to help me out. He is a real G for coming through. So we finished the fronts. It's all, I wouldn't say fully dialed in, but it's to where we like it. We still obviously have to drive the car and see if it rubs and stuff. But here we are with the front. Sheesh. For reference, guys, I was able to fit 2 fingers between the tire and the fender. Now I could barely fit my finger, and it's pretty spot on, especially with the other side. Very spot on. We have the camber plate fully maxed, and look at that. Holy bro, that is like perfect in my opinion. But yeah, gonna go ahead and tack the rears. Hopefully it doesn't take too long, but yeah, let's do this. Check that out. Oh shit, you got it? Yeah. Ah! Fortune Auto's going in. Let's get this shit.
Yo.
Alright gang, Asher and I just finished up. Oh fuck, there's a car. Almost totaled the car.
Will you scrape?
We're about to find out, let's see. Oh, we clear.
Clear. Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. We'll do a U-turn right here. See if we rub on full lock.
A little bit. A little rubbing ain't no didn't hurt nobody.
That's fender though, right? It's not. It's probably like the inner
Inner, yeah.
It's fine. Yeah, we chillin'.
Yeah.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Oh my god.
That's so fun.
Yeah, that's hard. Bro, that is so sick.
Look at that.
Dude, that looks good. This is a W?
This W fucking fitment?
Dude, it looks so good though. Asher, thank you so much,
Got
bro.
you, man.
This is
Got
sick.
you.
I don't even know what to do anymore with this car. I'm pretty much like done. I don't think it has like settled yet. I don't think it's settled yet. Like, I haven't really realized it.
I wish I was more hard.
She wanna check on me, I'm good. Don't worry about me, I'm on my own. If you ain't around me, can't check this wood. Crop the coupe, the roof too low. Squatting, I can't hit my head. Popping like I never left. I've been taking this in steps. Make sure this shit work the best. I still came through, even when I ain't need to. Lately, it's only me inside this coupe, baby. No me and you. Turn it up, can't see through it.
Damn. It is, guys. We have my 86 fully set with the Fortune Autos that I installed the other day. And let me tell you, bro. Let me tell you. This is exactly how I wanted the car and envisioned it to be. and to be able to see it like in front of me, like with everything I've wanted on it, is like insane. Like, I don't even know how to explain it. But yeah, now the car is sitting on proper coilovers. We're on some Fortune Autos, so these things ride amazing. Even though it doesn't have any alignment right now, it still rides really, really good. The install went fairly easy. Thank you again to Asher for helping me out. He was a real one. Probably if he wasn't there, I probably wouldn't have gotten it done, and I probably would have been screwed, to be honest. Make sure you guys follow Asher. I'll put the @ somewhere around here or even in the description. He's a real one, and he knows a lot more about stance and all that stuff, and I wanted to get a little bit of stance on it, but still wanted to keep it functional because I'm all about that track spec type shit, you know what I mean? I had the coilovers on for about like 3 days now, and I haven't had any issues with them. It rides so smoothly. There's no weird clunking noises. Everything just sounds proper, and it sounds good. I don't hear anything abnormal. Even though I don't have a proper alignment yet, the car still drives straight and it handles really well out of the box. So just imagine how it would be when I actually get a proper alignment. So yeah. But other than that, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I am very, very, very happy with how the 86 looks now, and it's crazy to believe that this much has changed within the 4 months that I've owned it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys are liking where the 86 is going now. It looks amazing. I just can't stop saying that. But yeah, I'm very happy. Yeah. I hope you guys have a good one. See ya.
She wanna check on me, I'm good. Don't worry about me, I'm on my own. If you ain't around me, can't check this wood. Crop the coupe, the roof too low. Squatting, I can't hit my head. Popping like I never left. I've been taking this in steps. Make sure this shit work the best. I still came through, even when I ain't need to. Lately, it's only me inside this coupe, baby. No